Hi, and welcome to this new episode. This one is a special one because maybe you know, maybe you don't, maybe you've been part of it, but in the last few months, we had one great online event called the Confident Singer Bootcamp, and it was so amazing. People were so engaged. There were so many singers, passionate singers, asking for feedback, posting their songs, and getting results by shifting one little thing in their vocal technique or even in their mindset. And because it was so inspiring, I do want to share a little piece of it with you. So this episode will actually be a recording of that Confident Singer Bootcamp training. And it was just such an amazing event. So when the next one happens, I will tell you if you want. So in the link here in the description below, you can find the waitlist if you want to be part of our next bootcamp happening in a few months. So enjoy this very special episode, and I'll see you there in the recording. Bye. So if you're sitting down, stand up and let's warm up our body. Okay, make yourself as tall as you can. And I really hope you're doing it with me so that I'm not the only one doing it here. And then release. Okay, we're gonna roll our shoulders back. Again, do it with me because you're gonna get the most results out of it. Shoulders forward. Beautiful. Some of you guys are already telling me which phase you think you're in the chats. You guys are amazing. Now I wonder if that's gonna be the same after the test. Now, let's put those shoulder blades away from each other. So take your hands, take them like that, and then put them in front of you. And then the same thing behind you so that the shoulder blades come together. And if you want, you can even go over. Beautiful. All right, let's shake. So we're gonna be shaking our right hand 8 times, then our left hand 8 times, then our right foot and leg 8 times, and then our left foot and leg 8 times. Then from 8, we're gonna go to 4, to 2, and to 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. All right, give me a big face. Give me a small face. Big face. Small face. Now give me a creepy smile. And a very sad face. And creepy smile. Okay, and now you can massage all of this out, because if this is all tensed up, then we cannot sing properly. Your forehead, your head. Give yourself a nice neck massage. Now, keep on standing up. I'm just gonna sit down so that you can see me better. But please keep standing. Okay. Now, we're gonna imagine that I give you a candy and it's a really big candy. So you have to really chew on it. And what we're doing now is really activating those jaw muscles. And make it small. It's a really small candy now. Very small. And now it's getting bigger again. Yes, I'm very small. All right, I have a kids choir. They love this exercise. Now, with our tongue, we're going to be doing 5 circles to the right, 5 circles to the left. Look, we're doing this and then down. But then with our mouths closed, because that's nicer. While you're doing that, just type a Y in the chat if you're doing it with me. Just checking. And again, you should feel those jaw muscles tense up a little bit. Now we're gonna do a little stretch, and we're gonna be sticking out our tongue, but holding our tongue under, well, how can I explain this? I'm just gonna show it to you. Look, I'm gonna pull my tongue behind my bottom teeth. you should feel it here. And then also there. Let's do that again. Let's do it again. Beautiful. So that should be very tensed up now. We're going to be doing my favorite exercise to release all that tension. So think you have just been to the dentist and everything is a little bit asleep. Oh. And now imagine that you're in the prison and you want to get out. So we're doing... I love this exercise. We're just shaking it all out. Here we go. And... Nice. We're going to be doing weird stuff here. So... This is a good start. All right, good. Give me a brrr. And if a brrr is hard for you, you can use your fingers and put them in the corner of your mouth. Don't go all the way back. Don't go all the way up, but find a little sweet spot between those. Brrr. Yes. And let's do brrr. And is a dog singing along. Last one. So the thing that we're doing now is just stretching those vocal cords. And if you find that you're someone who has difficulty to keep the lip trill going, then it might have something to do with your breath support. Because oftentimes those two go together. If your stops, then your breath support is oftentimes too low. Sorry, not slow, low. Okay, give me a lili lali loli luli. So we're waking up the tongue here. Lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli le. I know this is a challenge, but let's just try anyway. Here we go. And lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli le. Let's continue. Lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli le. A little bit faster. Lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli le. Lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli le. Last one. Lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli, lili lali loli luli le. Beautiful. That was waking up the tongue. Let's do a few tongue twisters. Give me... Okay, repeat after me. Unique New York. You have repeated? Okay, so we're just gonna go down. We're doing unique New York, 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 unique New York. Here we go. And unique New York, 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 unique New York. That's a challenge. Let's do unique New York, New York, unique. So we're switching. Here we go. And unique New York, New York, unique, unique New York, New York, unique, unique New York, New York, unique, unique New York, New York, unique. That's a hard one. All right, great. Do up, up, oh, oh.